Hello, you. Supper time for you, you know that, don't you? Look at him watching me. Absolutely amazing. I've no idea what he's found. What you found? You gonna show me? Oh, let me feed him peace, he says. Oh, wood pigeons here behind me. He's found something, whatever he's having. Can't see what he's got. What you got, mouse? He's definitely got something. He's got a stash in there, I know he has. Oh dear. Hello. He's busy enjoying it, whatever it is. Can't see. What is it, mouse? I don't want to catch that leaf because I'll spook him off. Have a look. Little leaf.